Okay, so we're going to get started on term 3, week 1, question 17. First step, as always, is to read the question. So, Mr. Naman is a high school physical education teacher. He wants to find out the average time, so underline that. And the second step, as we know, is to underline the key information. So, find the average time for a year 8 student to complete 2 kilometers. There are 3 year 8 classes, of which the first class had an average time of 4.1 meters squared. Second class had an average speed of 4.6 meters squared, and the third class had an average speed of 5 meters squared. If the average student ran the 2 kilometers at 10:37, what time would he finish? Okay, so the first step we've completed it, which was to read the question. Second step was to underline the information, we've just done that. And the third step is to visualize it. So for this question, I prefer to use a table. So we would do class 1 at average speed of 4.1, class 2 has an average speed of 4.6, and class 3 has an average speed of 5.0. Now, to find the average, as we've gone through in class, you just add these numbers and divide by how many numbers there are. So you got 13.7 divided by 3, and you get an average speed of 4.56 recurring meters per second. Okay, now that we have the average speed, let's find the time it will take. So if we will go back to what we learned in class, the don't stop thinking method of finding distance, speed, and time, we have the distance, we have the speed, we just need to find time. So to find time, time is equal to distance divided by speed. Our distance is 2 kilometers, speed is 4.56 meters per second. We cannot, however, do this as it is because the units are different. So we need to convert 2 kilometers into meters. That will translate to 2,000 meters, and we will have 4.5 meters per second. So now our time would be 437.956 seconds. And the question says to what time would the average student finish, rounding to the nearest second. So the way to do it is to convert these seconds into minutes. So you divide by 60 and you would get 7.299 minutes. Convert that, so you add 7 minutes, so it would be 10:42, and convert the remaining into seconds, and you would get, what was it, 10:42